Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 22nd through December 4th. For November 22nd to 26th, expecting a relatively zone of flow, especially across the east central states. We have our upper low here, our trough, creating a split flow in the west. We have above normal height still remaining here across western Canada and off the west coast of Canada. A front will cross the northeast on Friday and will bring a mixed rain and snow to the region, with the best potential for accumulating snow in the higher terrain. For the south, we're going to look at that right now. We're going to go to Friday. Further south, we have a low here that'll be developing along a frontal boundary. This is the GFS, and this will move from the lower Mississippi Valley to the southeast Friday and Saturday and produce widespread showers and thunderstorms. Locally heavy rain will be possible across these areas. In the northwest, we'll receive rain and mountain snow by Saturday. If we take a look here, across the northwest, GFS, I'm showing this because this shows it the best. And this rain and mountain snow will expand in coverage across much of the interior west Sunday through Monday, and we'll go through the Monday time frame. You can see right here. All right. Okay, we're going to look down at the period from November 25th to 29th, and during this period, let's see, we have the NAO is the AO, I should say. Whoops. Is forecast to remain neutral to negative this period with mixed height anomalies across the Arctic and the mid-latitudes, and weak positive height anomalies are forecast across Greenland, and the NAO is forecast to remain near neutral as well, with increasing negative height anomalies across Alaska and northwest Canada, while persisting in the eastern U.S. with positive height anomalies in the southern and northeastern Canada and western U.S. This pattern will trend to bring normal to above normal temperatures across the western states and normal to below normal temperatures across Alaska and the eastern states. And that's just what I'm talking here. We have our positive height anomalies here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region, and anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees are forecast below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for a majority of the nation. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, as we get to the period for November 30th through December 4th, the AO and the NAO are forecast to remain the same, and we have negative height anomalies will persist across Alaska and western U.S. Negative height anomalies, so we'll go to that. This will be for the 30th. Whoops, going a little bit too far. You can see it here. Negative height anomalies. And then we have above normal positive height anomalies across much of Canada and the eastern U.S. But the GFS is the one showing that. When you look at the other models, here's the even its ensembles, the GFS ensembles, the European ensembles, and the NAEFS all show positive height anomalies here across much of Canada. Yes, it's true, but below normal heights across much of the nation. But I think the pattern's going to end up more like this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here for this region and for the southeast. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And the greatest anomalies would be across the northern Rockies. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 22nd through December 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.